Yo, how's it going, everyone? Today, we got the welder out. We got the welder out. So, this thing has a couple of leaks on the exhaust. I'm letting it cool down right now, so not really kind of caring too much about it. But what I am gonna do is cover a couple of holes and do that, and then possibly go get emissions done today. So, emissions maybe today. Fix the exhaust. There's a couple of leaks by the muffler on the straight pipe area, the mid pipe, whatever the thing is called. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do that and see if we can go do emissions today. So yeah, let's go ahead and go down there and try to look for those exhaust leaks real quick. Alright, so exhaust. I think finding those holes are gonna be kind of hard to find. Because, yeah. Let's go ahead and look at this exhaust together, right guys? Actually, I just found one on the top of the exhaust. Oh shit, looks like I'm gonna have to cut that. I hope I don't have to cut anything. If I do, then shit. So let's go ahead and get the tools out actually. Get the exhaust off, redo the exhaust, and yeah, let's do that real quick. Also, I just realized something. This battery?
Alright, so before I was rudely interrupted by my battery dying, right, you stupid little camera, I was saying, I just realized that this battery is from a Subaru. Potentially why it's not starting over anymore? Maybe. Let's go ahead and, oh, I didn't even get the tools out. I just wanted to show you guys that. Tools. And something very common with the older vehicles, some piss blaster. I'll go ahead and put that down there. And, alright. See those two bolts right there? Breaks them with a little bit of lube, just like in the Epstein fires, you know. Actually, I think they're pretty lubricated since this is already leaking a lot. So I think we should go ahead and be able to break those out. So let me get little Allen out of here. I'm assuming that's a 14, so let's see if my assumptions are right. Pick it up. There you go. 14. And 14. So watch this. Let's see if I was right with the measuring, right? Oh, look at that. Oh, I was right on that, and I was right on this. Look at that. I'm a fucking professional eyeballer. Look at that. If you need your stuff eyeballed, call me. I know how to eyeball. Let's go ahead and get that there. Are you on Titan or Lucid? You are on nothing because you are broken. Let's get something else. Alright, so I decided to just do this the caveman styling. Get on the Allen keys. So oh, there we go. I gotta lock this side up on something like the exhaust. Use your guys' tools to your advantage and surroundings. Just like that. You see, guys? Look at that. Little ratchet. Just because I don't know where my impact is, so that's fine. Did I? Oh, I just misplaced them. Don't worry, I didn't lose them. Ah, I got dirt in my eyes. It's so dirty. Well, actually, it's just greasy with a lot of dirt. I think I should be able to just cut some metal and patch that, because I don't think I want to cut the whole exhaust. Ow. There's a transmission there, guys. Dude, this is so uncomfortable. Why can't I just scoot this way? I can. Ugh. Hi, guys. I just wanted to get closer to y'all, you know? Nice and personal and up and close, and yeah. God damn it, I got stuff in my eyes. Alright, so what I do to not lose anything, you know, I put those bolts back on there. I think I'm gonna have to sit these on like a little bit of Diddy oil, because they're kind of rusted and dry. Take the exhaust off of these little rubber thingies, which is always the fun part. Cause, oh god, these are so dry. How am I gonna do that? Oh, never mind. I thought I broke one of the rubber things. I was like, oh god. Anyways, that's off. That's off. This is broken in the middle? Hold on. You guys see that, right? It's like moving, but not moving on the muffler part. I don't know what's going on there. Let's continue taking this off over there. Alright, I'm in the rear. And I still have dirt in my nose. Alright, so I saw that it was moving right here. Oh my god, that's why. How come I've never noticed this? Alright, you can come out of that. Just like that. That needs to be fixed. Foil? Someone stuffed aluminum foil in there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut and re-weld. That's okay. Come on out. God damn it, is everything on this fucking thing covered in dirt? Get out. Get out. Please. God, okay, you're gonna have to go the other way. I'm snorting up salt and different types of dirt from this fucking van, dude. This is not nice. Okay, you know what? You're gonna have to go that way, whether you like it or not. Alright. One more good push. I have dirt in my eyes. I can't see. You're so close. Come on, dude. Oh, God damn it. Alright, this way. Different angle of approach. Always works. Dude, what the frick? There we go. Look at that. Why is it stuck? What are you stuck on? Don't tell me I had to lift the van to get this out. Cause you get stuck on the oh, my fingers. Okay. Ow. How does this come out? Does it really have to be lifted to get out? I think so, because the axle's in the way. Let me try that real quick. Let me lift it. Okay, maybe I think my suspension is a problem. Okay, let's try this again. Wow. Okay. I don't mean to talk about the elephant in the room, but my suspension is a little it's a little bit old. Alright, so for starters, I'm gonna try to get these off. I'm gonna fix this little crack right here around the muffler. I'm gonna weld this together. Put a piece of metal, if this is even weldable, right here and right here. Patch those up. And I thought I saw one more. Yeah, there you go. And then patch this guy up right here. Okay, so after eyeballing these, it's a 14, but it doesn't want to go in there. It's so rusted. Okay. let's get the piss blaster. Boom, 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 boom. I definitely should be doing this in a spot where I'm not gonna work later on. So I'm not even doing it right now anyway, so it's okay. Boom, boom, boom. Now it's a freaking half. Okay, that's on there. Let's get you off now. Oh my god, you're on there. Okay, the whole thing is spinning. I think that's gonna break. I'm it. Ooh, I almost dropped my drink. That would have been like the 20th drink that I dropped this week. Just kidding. All right. There you go. Yeah. Off. I want you off. Not just kind of off. I want you off. Fully. Dunzo. Gone. Get off. Get it. Yeah. Woo! Whatever. Alright, you know what? Violence. You know what I just realized? The more I do that, the more I damage the stuff that I have to work on. So after a bunch of progress, we're sanding down a little plate for the area to weld that little plate back onto the holes. I ended up putting this guy on here because I accidentally broke it off. So welded that back on, put a little bit of fresh metal in there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off, weld this back onto that, which connects over there, and it was not looking pretty. So this isn't looking pretty, but this will do for now. So let's go ahead and continue by welding that on and patching up the rest of the holes somehow. Alright, so we ended up finishing up a giant portion of this. We got the whole muffler in now. I'm gonna go ahead and tack this up and hopefully be done with this and do emissions and close our eyes and hope to God that we weld right. Right? I guess I should actually get the metal. Huh. Alright, so here's the full exhaust. Welded this patch right here, patch right there, nothing there. So we're gonna go ahead and finish welding all this together. Together. This doesn't matter. Right. Not the prettiest, but also not the worst. All the way around. Baraging garabung. Gungiri bingi bingiri gung. You know what I'm saying? Now I just gotta clean it up. Make it look a little bit seeming like it's professional. And yeah, this is actually not that bad. I actually did a pretty good, decent job, except for that. I don't know what's going on there. Oh yeah, I was patching up a hole because this hook was actually falling off. So now we put this back in. I see a big old line that's making its way to be bigger. But that's fine, that's fine. I'm just gonna pass emissions and then that's it. Goodbye exhaust. And I'm gonna do something to this guy. You guys don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do something. You guys are hopefully gonna like it. So yeah, let's put that back in. Watch this. Ready? Alright. So we got the whole exhaust on. Just bolting it on now. Dropping the camera. And let's go ahead and ratchet this back up. If I could get the wrench on the bolt, that'd be great. There we go. Nice. I hope that does not leak. There's a little bit of a crack here. That should be okay. Let's go ahead and whoops. Let's go ahead and put a new dent in the van, and then lower the van and see if that did anything. Hopefully, no more leaks. Let's go ahead and see. Hot dog. Key in the screaming ignition and cue the starter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No more whistling. Nice. Good. Let's go ahead and give it a little rev. Nice. Well, no more exhaust leak. That's good. So that was it. I'll go ahead and call this project a finish and a win. So now next step is to stick this on the back of the exhaust. Just like this. Have it sticking out. Like that. There you go. Just kidding. Get out of here. So yeah. Oh, actually, I just heard something. Oh, that's hitting my bumper. I think that'll be okay. It should be okay. I think. I guess I'll find out when it starts getting annoying. Well, I just needed a temporary fix until emissions, and then I could do what I wanted with this exhaust later on. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this, whatever this is or was. A little patch job with something not professional, but it's okay. It's temporary. So, catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Alright, honestly, just because I'm curious, I wanted to see what it sounds like with no muffler. So, for experimental reasons only, oh my god, that starter is so loud. Wow, that sounds so aggressive. One little rev. Oh my stupid radiator, fucking alternator belt, I mean. Alright. That's all I wanted to hear. Dude, that sounds so crazy. Oh, my camera's down there. That's okay. Anyways, I was looking for